I need you to take a look at the Lamborghini Temerario. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. This sounds incredible, guys. Well, they're taking the Temerario down from the ramps here, and they're being extra careful with this thing. Oh my goodness, this car looks so freaking good. Drop your comment below, guys. What do you think about this car? Lamborghini Temerario. Freaking awesome. That exhaust though, stock sounds so good. Look at the back of that car. Those wheels are so wide. Those two hexagon pattern front fog lights, I want to call them, look so cool in the car. Like a little UFO, man. God, I can't get over this car. Very nicely done. Please, guys, drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful machine right here. Despite that this is a V8 hybrid, it still sounds like a V10. This car is freaking amazing.